Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use symbaloo and create your own web mixes. So first you're going to type in www.symbaloo.com. Now you'll create an account just like you would for anything else. This is a free program. Because I've used this on my computer before, it knows it's me. So I'm just going to keep it this way. What I want you to notice is that symbaloo is a tool that allows you to put up websites for your students so that they're not going to other different websites. I mean, this one's a little crazy. Let's go to Beloit Learning. This is for the Beloit Learning Conference last year that I created some different interesting web tools. I started a smartboard tools, haven't gotten very far on that. But you can create this and just have a few websites on here so that kids can click on those and they stay focused on the subject matter. What I want you to know is that you'll be creating a web mix, that's what this is called, by just clicking on this plus sign, and a blank web mix will come up. Now you can edit your web mix. Click on edit right up there, and you can shrink it. Depending on how little or how many websites you would like. This could be a nice size to start with. I can rename it so it's not just my web mix. I can rename it to Science Fifth Hour. Save. I can change the wallpaper behind, so actually I can put pictures behind it if I wanted. Ooh, a little crazy. Be careful what you choose so it doesn't take away from. Let's try this. Now do you see it behind here? And then I'll add tiles on to these spaces here. I'm going to go back to change wallpaper and just choose, let's just go with, oh, maybe purple. There we go. I'm going to click on done editing. We're good to go. Now what I'm going to do is click on one tile where it says add new tile. Now I can search for tiles. Let's put in science because that's my topic. And here you will see a whole bunch of different science tiles made for you already. So let's say that I want to go to science news. I'm going to click and I can add that. Let's click on this new tile, science again. And this time I want NASA. I'm going to click and drag it. Now let's do something different this time. I'm going to click on a new tile. This time I'm going to click to create my own tile. So let's say that there's a really cool, let's do Science 360. You have to have the website, the link for your tile. So you might want to go to that. You can just go up here and actually go to that site, copy and paste it. And then click on here. It seems to find my link okay. It actually names it. I'm going to actually get rid of this because it's a little tile. I just want Science 360. Okay. It says display the name on the tile. I'm going to say yes. Now, it did not find any picture for me. Sometimes some of these sites actually have a picture already. Here, I can't actually get these to come on, so if anybody out there is able to get those icons on there, please email me. Look at all the pages. It actually has a bunch of pages, but I've had no success with that. I'm going to click here. You can change the color of your tile. So let's say that I want it red. But now I don't have a picture on there at all. I mean, that's fine. You can have a tile that just has a label. That's up to you. You can upload your own image. Oops, let's go click on choose file. See if I have a picture we can put on there. Let's just say I'm going to choose this picture. I click on upload, and it will let me choose part of the picture because the tile is small. So there's my Science 360 tile, and I'm going to click on Add Tile to Web Mix. It pops up here on the top. Remember, we have to click and drag it to the location that you want it on your web mix. Now, one other thing I want to show you, I have this titled Science Fifth Hour, but let's say that I want to see if there are web mixes out there that are already created. If I click on Add a New Tile, and I click, or I put in Science, remember I did that to find all of these tiles before, but check this out. It says we found 1,285 web mixes. Let's click on them. So these are already web mixes that are created. So let's say that I want to check out this biology web mix. These are links that are already created. You can check out the links to see if they are exactly what you need for your objective. And you can add this web mix to your tabs up here. So now I have biology, I have fifth hour, that's an old one, and so on. This is the one that I just shared with you recently. So play with WebMix. There's other things you can do. You can add your WebMix to your home page. You can share your WebMix. So if I wanted to share this with you, that's exactly what I did with the Web2O tools. I can share this. You can actually embed it in a website. But those are the basics right now, so explore more options for yourself as you start creating this. This is really handy when it comes to specifically having those sites mapped out for the students when they get onto the machine. So enjoy. If you have any questions, please contact me. Thanks so much.